We're full of the Cliff Clavin facts today. Welcome back to Western New York Living. This is the time of year when many home improvement projects start to swing into high gear. If a kitchen remodel is on your to-do list, well, you've come to the right place because I recently joined Artisan Kitchens and Baths at one of their kitchen renovations to check out what's hot in cabinets, countertops, and appliances. As you're about to see, the options sometimes can be endless. If a home remodel project's on your list for 2020, in particular a kitchen, then you need some inspiration and some ideas, and we're about to give that to you. I'm joined now by Jennifer Hutton from Artisan Kitchens and Baths. Jennifer, good to see you again.
Thank you very much.
And great to see this awesome project that you completed here in Buffalo. And you can't wait to show me and everybody else this one cabinet in particular, so fire away.
This cabinet here is a pet storage cabinet, so it will house pet food, pet treats, pet toys, all of that centrally located, so it's easy access for everyone.
Yeah, that's a great idea, and I know a lot of pet owners out there thinking, I need to get that done. There's another cabinet near our cooking station over here that you want to show me too.
Correct. If you open up the cabinet next to the range, you'll see that it's a cooking center housing a knife block in the back. We've got our utensil cups up front, and then the shelf below gives you extra storage space for spices, olive oils, things that you're going to need next to the range when you're cooking.
It leaves the counter space open, which is brilliant.
Gets all that clutter right off the countertop.
Yeah, nice clean look there. I love the black color cabinets too.
Black is very in right now, and at the same time it's still very classic. What I like about it in this space is that it contrasts the crown lighting, gives it a nice ambiance, a nice feeling.
Yeah, the crown lighting's excellent. We'll talk about backsplashes too in a moment, but let's talk about splashes. Water in the sink here. You've got your standard faucet, but there's something else you're going to show us too.
Standard faucet on the left, and on the right here we have instant hot water. So in Buffalo it's important to have tea and hot chocolate all the time, and that allows us to do that.
That is incredible how quickly. That looked pretty hot there for the hot tea. If you want something a little stronger than tea, we have a bar area to look at over here.
Contrasting cabinet color here. We have white cabinets in the bar, black in the kitchen, and you'll see that we have a black decked-in countertop, which is a very strong, very durable product on top of those beautiful white cabinets. And on the right and on the left, we have two appliances, one for wine, the other for beverage, pop, beer, juice, all of that stuff.
That's great, fantastic look, and part of that is the backsplash here. Tell me about the backsplash here and the backsplash we have in the kitchen.
The bar backsplash is a scalloped mosaic sheet, and it's going to look like a marble, whereas the main kitchen backsplash is a geometric tile, has an iridescent finish to it, kind of a concave pattern in there, and it gives just a really rich, hearty feature point.
Well, this is a nice use of space and a way to delineate the difference between the kitchen and the bar area.
Delineation of space is important. We wanted to incorporate everything together, make sure it still looks good, but coordination is vital.
All right, there's something else you guys did in this home that's pretty awesome, and that's a mudroom and a powder room, so we're going to take a look at those.
All right, let's go.
All right, we've made our way to a mudroom. This is really a mudroom? This is incredible.
It is. It's actually one of my favorite spots in the house. Behind us here, you'll see that there's a bench seat for you to sit down, take your shoes off, and conveniently enough, there is a mail slot in the exterior wall of the house where the mail drops down, and it's waiting for you at the end of the day when you get home.
Yeah, that's really cool. Yeah, a lot of great use of space here. Cabinets part of that, and a great place to hang your coat.
Inside this cabinet, we have coat rod, so you can hang up your bulky winter coats, and they're out of the way, out of sight, and frees up space in the rest of the room here.
All right, we saw the pet cabinet, but now pet owners are really going to be jealous of what you're about to show.
This here is a dog wash. So right off the back entrance, when you've got muddy paws, you just lift your dog or cat or any various animal up into this dog wash station, wipe off their paws, and you're good to go. It's also a great spot to have gardening gloves and umbrellas, things like that. You just want a place to put them down.
That is awesome. I can see why it's one of your favorite spaces
in
the house. The other space here, the small powder room that's between the mudroom and the kitchen, and you want to point out the tile.
The tile floor is one of my favorite spots. It's got a band detail around the perimeter of a contrasting color, and the penny round tile itself works well with the architecture of this old Buffalo home, so it all meshes beautifully.
Jennifer, the one thing I noticed again, the theme here is use of space and maximizing that space as you guys do in all your projects.
I think we've done a great job here. There's a lot of storage, a lot of options.
Well, thanks again for showing us around, and great job by your team.
Thank you so much.
If you're considering remodeling your kitchen or bath this year, make sure you stop by Artisan Kitchens and Baths and speak with their knowledgeable design team. Their beautiful showrooms located at 200 Amherst Street in Buffalo, and you can check out all the products and services they offer by heading to their website at artisankitchensandbaths.com. You're sure to find your dream kitchen or bath inspiration at Artisan Kitchens and Baths. Now, coming up next, how would you like to get to your ideal weight just like Daniel did? And most important, keep it off. The Ideal You Weight Loss Center can help, and they'll be joining us in studio to talk about their unique weight loss protocol. After that, we'll tell you how you can shrink your under eye bags and wrinkles from view in just 10 minutes with the help of Plexiderm Skincare. Learn more about their 10-minute challenge. Western New York Living will continue.
This segment of Western New York Living was sponsored by the following: